lang.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Sky Wheel at Niagara Falls, and we're going to show you the view today, so keep on watching. Before we start this video, please like and subscribe for more content. So join us and see the view.
Show them,
Dito lang
show
ang
them
ano eh, may parang palaruan.
Look guys,
Sunod
that's
sa
the
kabila, wala
Niagara
kang
Falls right there,
makikita.
the waterfall there.
Sa-
And if you look down here, it's really, really scary. We're in the really top. Oh my gosh.
Oh, Niagara Falls na. Ay, dalawa tayo picture.
Yeah, there is so much things you can explore here, and it's located at Canada. That's all I can tell you.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be stopping at the top. Are we?
Ayan na, baka huling, ano na natin to. Huling turn.
We're going down, guys.
Huling tour, masama naman kung sumihin nun.
Ay, huling ikot? Huling ikot sa ano? In English ko lang yung turn.
Multiple